National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 524, effective until 1 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, Page, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Lake, Indiana, and the following: Wilmette Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois; and Cary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Wauwers. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 039 Chicago.